Are you struggling to make your Amazon business profitable? It could very well be related to how well you are able to convert your potential customers. So in this video, I'm going to talk about a trick that can have a huge impact on your organic sales, ranking, and conversions. I am Shaival Choksi. I am the co-founder of Your Seller. We are a team of Amazon experts and we help sellers grow their business on Amazon and at the same time be profitable. So brand story is what I'm going to talk about in this video. You should be able to find that under the A+ content section on Seller Central. Typically, you need 15 successful A+ content submissions in order to be eligible to put up a brand story. Pro tip: if you have fewer products or even just one product, you can recreate multiple variations of the same A+ content template, submit it to Amazon, get it approved, and it should make you eligible to put up a brand story. Anyway, so there are two primary reasons why I recommend every brand to have a brand story in place. One, it is one of the newest areas to take advantage of from a search indexing perspective. Two, it allows you to cross-sell a lot of your other products and categories or even variations where it can have a huge impact on how well you're able to convert and at the same time increase your average order value. Now, this is something that not a lot of brands are currently capitalizing on. And it's something where you can gain a first mover advantage. So there are 4 different types of module variations that you can get within the brand story. And in total, you can add up to 19 total modules to build a really strong version of a brand story for your brand. So we at YS, we use a typical format when we recreate this for our clients. And this is what it looks like. So the first part is basically the background image. We divide it into 3 parts. The first part is where you want to position your product for better visibility. The second part is basically something that stays constant across the entire brand story because there are no other cards or sections that get displayed. So it can be used to maybe add a brand logo along with a phrase that you think can really define your brand in a short statement. Part 2 is where we would suggest to add an about section where you basically talk about the brand, what your philosophy is, what you stand for, and it can also be a space that you can utilize to add some of the most relevant keywords which are specific to your category or your product. Part 3 is where we would usually go about adding multiple versions of a product card for other products, variations, or even other categories of products. And again, depending on the number of SKUs, you can have multiple versions of these. Also, you can use some reviews or like a positive review that you feel really encapsulates the main advantages of the product into an image along with a product image to go alongside it. Part 4 is where we would suggest usually to add an FAQ section. This is honestly next to gold. We recommend using this space wisely to talk about things that you really want to address about your product. So like for example, if there's a negative review where a customer suggests a particular problem, then use this space to clarify anything you want them to be aware of before they end up buying your product. Here are a few examples of brand stories that we really like. These are the kind of things that we put a lot of emphasis on as it can have a really huge impact on your organic sales and ranking. And in the end, you don't want to spend your ad money on half-baked product listings and really want to focus on capitalizing on these kind of spaces to maximize your organic advantage. I hope this information was helpful. Thank you for watching. Until next time.